everyone, this is Lipsa Rani Raut from Odisha Bhubaneswar. This video is in English version related to business details, so how to earn money through the in digital system and the procedure, how can you join on the details. You have to listen this video till the end. Until you listen this, you cannot start with me, because this is something you have to learn fast, then you can apply it fast. So I'm so sorry sir, it take time to share with this video because my all the videos are Hindi version. So if for English version taking time to recording and uploading is take time, I'm really sorry, but hope this will work out for you. Before starting this, coming to the point, I'm giving you three things. First is learning. Learning is very much important asset on your life. You have to learn. Until you learning, you cannot do anything. Just giving you example, you started your learning from class 1 to graduation just for getting a job, just for getting an income, just 15 years. Every you are taking new steps. Like this, you have to learn every day in this system. Second thing, you have to apply this learning by taking a massive action. Third thing, like 15 years like this, you have to do consistency. Suppose not happen this week, it not happen in 1 month, 2 months, you should not start, you should not give off, you should keep on doing, try. One day it will definitely success, and success is in your hand. So in COVID time, you can see school, colleges, offices, everything is digital. Why not digital income? Why not you start a platform, income platform through the digital business? It's called a digital thing, social media. So how? If you are in which business, suppose you are in hotel business, suppose you are in school business, suppose you are in gardening business, suppose you are in traveling business, you are in a construction property builder, any business across the world, everyone having a Facebook account, everyone having an Instagram account, everyone having a YouTube account, everyone having a LinkedIn account. Opening the account, you cannot start a business. Just posting the advertisement picture, this business will not start. There is a different method, there is a different content, different strategy is there to start business, to getting proper lead throughout this. All right, how the companies are spending more money in marketing, because there is something different is there nowadays. Even the colleges are starting doing MBA in digital marketing. Just think about our future, how digital thing will keep on increasing. This is what I am exactly telling you. This is the best system where you can prove yourself. Okay, let's compare me. Like, I have experience of 7 years in corporate sector. Last I was working in a bank, and I've laid off from the job. And after that, I am thinking, keep on thinking one thing, like I have given my 9 hours, even 10 hours to company, plus 1 or 2 hours to traveling, plus like for holiday and everything also I have to ask someone is controlling me right at remote. I have to keep my baby in daycare, that expenses, everything. Why not I start a business through digital right from my home? And I got this opportunity, and definitely I have started all the way 30K in month. I am in the aim of income of 1 lakh. So that's why I am telling you, this is the best business for the student, for the women, those who are home, the mother, those that can go out because of baby, they can start right from the home. Yes, this is why the one reason. Second reason, in corporate setup, for the increment of salary, we have to wait for 1 year or 2 year, and also after 2-3 years we have to change the job. That tension also there. So why should we are not starting a passive income? Similar kind of COVID, if it will be continue for 4 to 5 months, 5 years, then what is the situation? Everyone know companies are getting closed and jobs are going, people are jobless. Many of having credit card EMIs are keep on increasing, and that particular salary now, it will be divided with your EMI, divided with your expenses, rents, everything. You cannot think after this. If you think after this, then it will be a burden for you. So this challenging situation, how to overcome this? Because if you have something passive income, you can think I can do something in that. So let's give you example. Do you know the Harry Potter? Before publishing the book, she faces Like many of time rejected the publication. This content has been rejected, but when it was coming to us throughout the book, she become millionaire. Similar kind of KFC, 100 times their recipes has been rejected. Go for APJ Abdul Kalam story, go for our Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir story, go for any one successful businessman story, Oberoi, Tata, Ambani. They are starting from the struggle stage. They are go for one by one ladder. Now they are getting money. Everyone's life is so not easy to getting successful, so you have to face this, right? So let's come to our dream. What is your dream? My dream is to giving something to my parents. My dream is like I should earn this much of amount. My dream is like my I should have a home. I should have a dream villa. I should have a dream car. My child should be give go to that good education. For that we require money. So how can we save our future? We need passive income. Active income will not give this thing 100%, I'm sure. It will be like burden for your head. So let's start with the topic. How can we start this? Yeah, I'm talking about affiliate marketing. Don't think that it's a referral things. It's a like chain system. It's a like you have to sell. No way. You have to. As I said, you have to listen to me till 15 to 20 minutes. Complete this video. Its Leads company name is Leads ARK. What is ISO certified company. We have 20,000 plus affiliate in India in this company. Many of have been earned in millionaire 1 lakh. We have the proof. After this video, you can ask me. I can send you. How to start this course? Let me tell you for starting this course. It's a digital marketing course. 3 type course. See why the digital marketing important? Already told you. Like light, standard, pro. In light you can check organic, how to create the organic lead. If you pay to Facebook will give you lead, but every lead is not organic lead. Remember this. How to do the know about marketing strategy, how to market, social media marketing you can do. 5 free bonus books you are getting. These 5 things, the course free. If you take in MBA in digital marketing college, any other private institution, it will be 40 to 50,000. So here you are getting 2,360 rupees with GST. And the standard course is like you are getting light course plus you are getting like personal branding. Like Tata, if we hear the name of Tata, that having particular branding. My name is Lifsa, but what is my branding? So how to create your personal branding, how to create your own sales marketing skills, how to you can sell everything. That and also bonus books, that is around 60 to 70,000 course, but you are getting in 4,130 rupees with GST. Let's go for pro. Pro is having A to Z everything in affiliate marketing. You are having your way of success. How can you get the success? Direct meetings from OSR, direct meetings for our success persons. Instagram marketing, Instagram like lead generation sting, and standard and light. Everything we are getting in that, which is 1 lakh 19 or 20,000 courses, we are getting only 8,260 rupees. See, many people think don't have money, I can't invest this. You can buy a mobile. You can buy a mobile. You can go to the pub. You can go to the beer party. You can go for the hotel. You can spend money, right? For pocket money, you are asking your father to 2,000, 3,000 rupees. But you cannot start a business with 2,360 rupees. See, there is no business which you can start in zero money. If you start business with zero money, let me know. Every business you have to like give expensive. Here, if you buy a course 2,360 rupees, you are learning digital marketing. By the time how you can earn, suppose you are generating the lead. Suppose you are telling your friend, take this 2,360 rupees course, and you can learn this thing, because this thing everyone should know digital marketing. The future is digital marketing. Every business will start with digital marketing. Simply opening the account will not giving you lead. So For light courses 2360 rupees, you are getting 1500 rupees direct commission. If you are going to Amazon or other affiliate company, they are giving 20-30% commission. Here you are getting direct 60 to 70% commission, which is light course 2300, you are getting direct 1500. Standard course to like 4130 rupees, you are getting 2500 rupees. And pro course 8060 rupees, you are getting 5000 rupees. Even if your team member is selling, you are also getting the bonus. This is what per day one sell 5000 rupees, per day two sell 10,000 rupees. Think about bigger. This is not about sell. I feel this is learning. If I go to college, I have to pay the money, right? But I cannot earn anything. For earning, I have to wait. I have to give the interview and wait. But here, while you are spending money for your learning, you can complete your learning within 5 to 10 days. You can start earning, because this course will helpful for you how you earn yourself. If you think that no, I cannot do this, no, you can do this. Why not? Suppose any company having revenue team, every company having sales team, they are making revenue for their company. Without revenue, nobody is giving salary to you. If someone will tell you, you will work for me, I will not give salary, did you go for this? No, right? Everything starts with money. So you have to pay 2360 rupees, start your learning course, and will take 3 to 4 days for learning. You can learn these videos and courses many times, apply this, and you can take, like I have done this 1 month with 30,000 rupees. You can also do this. My mentor done 2 lakh rupees. I can also do this. If you think positively, you can do this. If you think negatively, you cannot do this. And if you listen to other, hey, don't go for this, then it will not work for you. People will say when you are zero, people will say when you are hero. Because when you are zero, they will blame you, taunt you. When you are hero, hey, he gives reference, that's why he got. So until you become hero, people will never respect you. Try to become hero of your life, and this is the business method. If you want to know more about this, you can message me, ping me, and I will give you full support, personal training, special training for you. This is the offer going to be ending soon, next some days, because the courses fee will getting increasing because of high demand. So if you grab this opportunity, 2000 and nothing for you. I have invested 8000 rupees. I learned many things on social media, and I am started my business. I hope that this year I will earn more than my 7 years of corporate life experience. Thank you.